Say goodbye to the days of dull and dusty carpets and brace yourself for a dazzling transformation like you've never seen before. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 vacuum cleaners for carpets available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for carpets. The 5th product on this list is the Ultenic FS1. Do you know it's possible to clean your carpet without struggling with cords and wires during the entire process? The introduction of wireless vacuum cleaners like the Ultenic FS1 into the market has made cleaning easier than their wired counterparts once did. Starting with its self-emptying station and a 101.442 ounces dust bag, you no longer have to stress about manually cleaning the dust bin after every use. Exploring its key features further, the Ultenic FS1 features robust suction at 30 kilopascals, delivering a punchy performance that lasts up to 60 minutes in eco mode. If you're worried about waking up the whole household when using this vacuum cleaner, fear not. The brushless motor keeps things quiet, making it ideal for early mornings or late night cleaning sessions without disturbing your loved ones. We all want our homes to be a breath of fresh air, right? The FS1's got you covered with its advanced 5-layer filtration system. The HEPA filter takes care of pesky particles and pet hair, while also preventing any unwanted odors from lingering in your vacuum. It's worth mentioning that the intelligent LED touchscreen is to thank for this product's user-friendliness. This is because switching between cleaning modes, checking battery life, and getting maintenance reminders is easy. All in all, this unit is great for anyone looking for a device that offers flexible cleaning options. Its pros are: it is lightweight, making it a breeze to navigate around the furniture. The suction power is high enough to remove even pet hairs, ensuring a clean environment for pet owners. And it can easily convert from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum for more targeted and quick cleanups. However, its cons are: the dust bags are not reusable, requiring regular replacements, and it takes up storage space, potentially posing a challenge for those with limited storage options. To sum it up, the Ultenic FS1 cordless vacuum cleaner is ideal for anyone who needs a versatile, convenient, and all-in-one cleaning solution in their home. Up next in 4th place is the Shark Vertex Pro Series. If the Ultenic FS1 doesn't appeal to you, the Shark Vertex Pro Series will. And here's why. We put this vacuum to the test in boost mode against the full-size vacuum ZU630, and as expected, it works even better, especially because it has incredible suction power and uses dual clean power fins plus a self-cleaning brush roll to provide deep cleaning. And get this, with 2 removable batteries, you get up to 120 minutes of runtime. That means you can clean for longer without worrying about running out of power. Moreover, this unit has multi-flex technology that makes it flexible enough to reach those tricky spots in your space and even fold down for compact storage. Even if you need to clean above the floor, this product makes it possible, as you can easily transform it into a handheld vacuum cleaner for the task. Moving on, let's talk about keeping the air clean. With HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen complete seal, this vacuum traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, keeping them out of the air you breathe. As for operating this vac, the IQ display makes this a breeze, given that you get to see real-time updates on everything from runtime to performance, keeping you in the loop as you clean. Also, you can conveniently switch between surface type and suction level. In summary, this device is an excellent choice for those seeking extra convenience while cleaning in various spaces. Its pros are: the LED lights on the nozzle show dirt in hidden places, making it easier to spot and clean. It comes with 2 batteries, ensuring an extended runtime before needing a recharge. And you get a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance in durability. However, its cons are: there's no on or off switch for the brush roll, limiting the ability to control the brush roll. And the multi-flex wand is not durable and may not withstand heavy usage. The cordless Shark Vertex Pro Vacuum is your new cleaning sidekick if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game. Still haven't found a vacuum cleaner that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Rowenta X-Force Flex 15.6. With this unit, say goodbye to those hard-to-reach spots. Thanks to Rowenta's Flex technology, it lets you clean everywhere, from floor to ceiling without hassle. With up to 230 air watts of suction, it sucks up dirt like a champ. Plus, the Power LED Vision head makes sure you don't miss a spot, even in dimly lit areas. And forget about struggling on hard floors. The X-Force excels on every surface. Even if you intend to deep clean your entire house, this cleaner gives you 1 hour and 20 minutes of uninterrupted vacuuming. Sure, it might feel a bit heavier after a while, but trust me, it's worth it for the unbeatable efficiency. Let's talk smart features. The X-Force automatically senses what type of floor it's on and adjusts its suction power accordingly. Need a little extra suction power? Just pull the boost trigger for a power-packed clean. If you own pets, that's not a problem with the X-Force. Use the handheld mode and the Animal LED Turbo Brush to tackle pet hair on floors and in the car. Plus, with 2 easy brushes built in, you'll have spotless surfaces in no time. And don't forget about the crevice tool, which is perfect for reaching every nook and cranny. Like the others we already discussed, this has a digital display that gives you real-time info about the device when in use, plus you can easily differentiate suction levels on it and even receive an alert for cleaning the filter. If you are looking for a vacuum cleaner that sucks up dirt like a champ, this unit is an excellent choice. Its pros are, it automatically detects your floor and adjusts suction power accordingly. Its foldable design allows for compact storage, and the battery life is sufficient to complete cleaning tasks without requiring frequent recharging. However, its cons are, the unit is heavy, making it challenging to maneuver, and it is very loud during operation. The Rowenta X-Force 15.60 vacuum is your new cleaning superhero and is for those who want the convenience of automatically switching between suction powers as they clean different surfaces. The second product on this list is the Samsung Jet90. Picture yourself indulging in an entire hour of non-stop cleaning power before needing a recharge. And guess what? You can easily swap out the battery with a spare for even more cleaning time. Plus, with the dual charging station, you can charge up to 2 batteries at once in just 3.5 hours. Now that's a worthy enough reason to invest in this product. What about the suction power? You may be wondering. This product uses up to 200 air watts of suction power. It'll tackle hardwood, tile, and carpeting with ease, leaving your floors sparkling clean. At just 6 pounds and with 4 length adjustments, the Jet90 is designed to move around your home effortlessly. Whether you're vacuuming stairs, reaching beneath sofas, or cleaning high cabinets, this vacuum makes it a breeze. And if you are ready for some turbocharged cleaning action, the Turbo Action Brush spins over 3,700 times a minute with 180-degree swivel flexibility, making quick work of dust, hair, and debris on any surface. When using this product, you won't have to worry about filter buildup anymore. This is because the powerful multi-cyclonic system of the Jet90 keeps debris away from the filter, pushing it straight into the dustbin where it belongs. With a dust capacity of 27.512 ounces, you'll spend less time emptying and more time cleaning. To sum it up, this device is a great option for individuals looking for a lightweight unit that offers flexible cleaning solutions. Its pros are, it has a dual charging station allowing users to charge multiple components simultaneously. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in different areas, and the telescopic is adjustable to 4 different lengths, providing users with flexibility to customize the tool's reach. However, the 8.4 decibel noise level is high for users seeking a quieter cleaning experience. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game with a more convenient, practical, and durable cordless vacuum cleaner, the Samsung Jet90 vacuum is a worthy pick. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top vacuum cleaner is the Dyson Gen5detect. With over 115% more power and about 70 minutes of runtime, you'll get through your cleaning tasks without missing a beat. Say hello to smart cleaning as this vacuum adapts its power based on the debris and floor type it detects. And here's the cool part. As you clean, bars on the screen grow and shrink in real time, showing you exactly when it's time to move on to the next area. On top of that, you can keep track of your cleaning progress with the LCD screen, which displays a summary of the dust you've picked up, power mode, maintenance alerts, and even the remaining runtime down to the second. If you think your floors are clean and do not need vacuuming, think again. We like that Dyson's improved illumination technology reveals 2 times more invisible dust on hard floors, thanks to a precisely angled light that exposes microscopic dirt you can't normally see. The fluffy optic cleaner head on this unit is gentle on hard floors, but tough on dirt, while the digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and effortlessly detangles long hair and pet hair as you go. And because it uses HEPA filtration, it traps 99.9% of particles as small as 0.1 micron. It even traps viruses, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. Even if you need to clean up high, down low, or in tight spaces, no problem, because this vacuum easily converts to a handheld with built-in accessories like the crevice and dusting tool. And don't forget the innovative hair screw tool, perfect for removing long hair and pet hair from small spaces without any tangles. Finally, if you want a unit that traps viruses and keeps the air clean, this unit is an excellent option. Its pros are: the display screen notifies users when the floor is clean, providing real-time feedback. It spins at 135,000 revolutions per minute, generating Dyson's most powerful suction. It can reveal invisible dust on hard floors, ensuring a comprehensive clean. And the battery life is excellent, providing enhanced convenience during use. However, the crevice tool only works in handheld mode. If you are looking for an efficient vacuum cleaner that can revolutionize the way you clean, don't sleep on the Dyson's powerhouse cordless vacuum. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.